Busted? Let's fix it. This GE refrigerator had a hidden problem. It was warm up top, but it was freezing down below. We're going to show you how to get the cold air back up at the top again. Now this is a repair that you can do. You have several 1/4-inch screws that you're going to need to remove. And we have a screwdriver that works great for this that we'll link in the description. First, remove the 2 1/4-inch screws on the deli shelf and then gently lift up and pull it out. There is a wire harness clip that you will undo, and then your deli panel will simply pull right out. The back shelf will now lift right out as well. On either side, you have the housing for the shelves. It's 1 1/4-inch screw, and it will slide straight towards you once you pull that out. If it doesn't slide right out easily, it's probably because of some ice buildup, and you can use a steamer or just simply open the doors for a little bit and let that ice melt. It will then slide right out. Now, as you can see, we do have some ice buildup here, and this steamer is really good at accelerating this process. Simply steam right through that ice, and then that back panel will come off easily once we undo the screws. This is the style of steamer we like to use. We have a link in the description for a good one. Now that the ice is removed, pop off this triangular housing cover that exposes the plug. We're going to take out these 1/4-inch screws, and then this back panel will pull off. You may need to de-ice it a little bit more if it doesn't come off easily. Now, right behind this panel is the very reason for the problem. It's the evaporator fan. We simply need to replace it. It comes off easily. You need to undo the plug, use a pick or something small, and pop out this little conduit that lets the wires go through it. Gently pull up so that they go over top of where it clips in. Then gently pull the wires out of this little crevice and the fan will slide right out. This is the new fan we're putting in, and if you don't have one, we do have a link in the description. Now pay attention at this part. There is a rubber cover that you do have to switch from the old fan to the new fan. You want to orient them in the same direction so that the cover goes on the same way. It simply pulls off and then pop the other one in. This reduces vibration and allows it to sit securely inside the housing that it goes back into. After securing the rubber cover, position the fan so that the wire comes out on the top right area. You'll then fasten it in the little groove, plug it in, and then you'll work the wires back through that conduit. Now we will simply reverse the process for everything that we took apart. We'll take our back evaporator housing assembly and we're going to plug it back in on the back left corner. We put the bottom in first and then squish it in gently, and then simply start putting your screws back in. Remember to put in the plastic cover. The side housing for the shelves will go flush against the side and then you slide it up. Remember to get the wire harness all the way through that hole. Then you're going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver and put in these 1/4-inch screws. Put the back shelf on. It should slide right in. Put the front shelf on only after connecting this wire harness. Then put in the 2 1/4-inch screws that secure it. At this point, if you'd like to test it, close the doors for about 10 minutes and turn it on, and then get a temperature reading at the top. As you can see, our fan is working great, and we have 28-degree air coming out the top, which lets us know this fan is circulating the air. As always, we really appreciate your support and would love to hear from you. And congratulations on a repair well done. Hey, thanks for watching. Your support means a lot. If this video helped, feel free to leave a tip and check the other links in the description.